It's only been 7 a.m. and it's been a day. It was a hell of a day starting at 2 a.m. yesterday all the way till now, which I haven't had a wince of sleep. If you enjoyed the last video and you are here, hi, my name is Shantae. Well, welcome back. Don't forget to watch all the other video to catch up for this one. If you're already a subscriber, don't forget to thumbs up as well as ding the bell to be notified when a new video is out. And of course, I'm trying to keep my influence game on check, so I am posting, I am editing while I'm eating, and I did this in the car until we had car issue. So the drama here is one of the car actually had a bad brake and he was driving without a brake for 45 minutes. And this is one of the reasons that I am never coming back to SAPA unless there is a flight in. With 3 hours left on this trip to the airport, now we're worried about missing our flight, but thank goodness we did not. But not before we had this huge drama at the airport with these people trying to make money off of us because we have extra stuff in our luggage that apparently wasn't allowed when, well, they allowed us coming into Hanoi. So yeah, anyways, long story short, it was paid off, it was done, and now we are en route to Da Nang. What is the one thing that you're looking forward to do in Vietnam?
Hand luggage was not a turkey aisle or the emergency exit.
Play with the toys.
Oh yeah? What is the second next best thing that you want to do? After we landed in Da Nang, the girls went straight to the birthday party with the kid crew, and we of course went out with our big people crew. We actually had to go to two different places. We went to the first place, which is like Hair of the Dog, and it just wasn't working, wasn't great, so of course we went to ADM Club instead. And let me tell you about clubbing in Vietnam. You can wear pajama here, okay? It's not a place where people go to hook up because, well, the thing about Vietnam that's different from the club here is there's a lot of girls, bottle girls, as well as girls that go to the club to sell themselves. You can buy these hostess to keep you company. You can wear whatever and they don't care. They're going to keep you company, and you can pay them extra for them to go home with you, and that's just the trend and the way it is. So people don't really dress up here, and how you can tell if you're from Vietnam or from America or whatever is what you wear, and people here does not care. It's just another place for you to drink, talk to friends, and hang out. And absolutely, it's not a dress to impress kind of thing. You see all kind of people here, even those who decide to bring the little kids. Not kidding.
As long as that girl bring up, he's like, oh, she's okay, she's okay. You pay too fast. They would have paid, multiple girls would have paid I didn't know she was.
I said what I said. But yeah, the next day, it's time to get my hair washed. And then it was time to join my sister and everybody for breakfast at Madame Lan. We ate here several times when I was back in Vietnam, and I love this place. So today I'm going to show you all the food that we order. And let me tell you, they have a huge and extensive, like 20-page menu. And I know what you're thinking, if a restaurant has a lot on the menu, you would think that some things are hit and others are missed. But let me tell you, everything here is a hit, including these really creative cocktails. Look at the one in the middle. That's a pho shot. And yes, they have coffee here, but we want somewhere aesthetic to have our coffee. And of course, we're going to check out Suncha Marina. As I am very ugly today, I will not be showing you how I look like because yes, I do have shame personally. I'm gonna go around and stalk this place and see if I should come back another day and take picture, and I definitely will be coming back another day when I'm cuter and I will take some picture. The coffee here, the coconut coffee here, superb. After coffee, I went home, got ready, and this is me, fabulous in my red dress. I am here to meet my godfather. We are having a party here with my extended family, which I will show you some videos. I did not film a lot of things because I have a raging headache, and the sun is very bright. 1 star out of 5 star. The adults are still partying, but the girls and I want to go shopping, so I'm gonna go back to my hotel and change and wait for everybody to meet up. Vietnam really has been another experience for me. Self-growth wise, I feel like every trip there's always low drama that help you grow as an individual. And that trip did something for me, but I can't disclose it in this particular short vlog. Right now there is this short 15-minute window where I can kind of jot down what happened today. This way I can get this off my chest and I can finish this filming before it gets dark. But I of course, went clubbing yesterday, right? Crazy. Then we had the best congee I've ever had in the whole wide world. Everything was amazing. Came home around 4:45, took a shower, did my hair routine. Man, that took forever because I wasn't done and like in bed till like 5, but my hair was wicked wet, so obviously there's not really much I can do. But I ended up passing out, and I woke up to this beating sunlight into the room, and I guess every problem that we had been having, little skirmish here and there, it's kind of just resolved itself without any explanation. I don't know how I feel about that personally, but I'm at a good place right now in my head. There's no longer any rush because, you know, Lily festivities is all over. It's just a few of my friends are here and they can entertain themselves just fine. We are going to be meeting up at 4 at the bar, this like beachfront bar that Vidang actually booked for us. And we're going to be hanging out there as a group, just have a few drinks before dinner. My mom and dad is having a 37-year anniversary, like wedding anniversary party today with everyone in the extended family. So you get to meet the rest of my family. Hopefully you'll enjoy the next video. Going shopping. Chill as fuck. They come to the rooms again.
There's 22 total pieces between 3 of us.
There was 50 by myself last time.
Wow.
After shopping, it is now time to go to the beach, meet up with everybody, and have something yummy. There is a place that's really close to our hotel that's just really chill, and we're heading there.
Oh, you ready for your photo shoot? He's ready for his photo. Look at him. Look at his fresh ass perm.
You know it's real friendship when you stop rehearsing who to be. You can be tired, you can be unfiltered, you can be your whole messy healing self, and you'll still be loved without conditions. It won't be about what you bring to the table, but how they never make you feel like you have to prove your seat. That's not just a friend, that's home. And if you have a friend like this, you're so lucky. Some friends go beyond companionship, they become family. They stand by you through life's storm, offering unwavering support and love and loyalty. These are the people who don't just celebrate your highs, but walk with you through your lows. True friendship isn't about blood, it's about those who choose to stay, no matter what. And I'm going to admit, I have many friends that have walked with me through different paths of life, but sometimes the paths stop crossing, and that's okay. I'm just glad to have these people here today because, well, there's 2 seats in a Lamborghini and 50 on the bus.
It's too much hope. That's a fat ass oyster. Ooh, nice arm candy. It looks good with the oyster cheese.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna let you rewash it yourself.
And 3, 2. And you might not like me for this, but at my age, I'm just not meant for suffering. It's not just getting there, it's how you get there, where we're staying, what we're wearing, what we're doing. That's how selective I am with my time. Imagine how selective I am with my friend. I'm not saying you have to be a somebody for us to be friends, but you gotta have something to offer. And it has to be more than money. Rich, famous, powerful, intelligent. Those friends I have plenty of. What do you have to offer beside your job? What do you have that money can't buy? What about your character do you love? And while we're on the topic of love, tonight we are celebrating my mother and my father, love of 37 years together.
Everything about it started out just like a storybook. I know that sounds cliche, so can you blame me being skeptical? Cause every other time my heart was on the line, I end up disappointed and I'm pushed to the side. Don't know what to do, cause when it comes to you, there's no sign of that. Cause I feel cute and I feel happy. There must be something wrong, cause it's been way too long since I feel cute and I feel happy. I don't know what to think, cause you are making me feel cute. So hard to surprise me for the first time, I was fine with that. say. Don't know what to do, cause when it comes to you, there's no sign of that. Cause I feel cute, and I feel happy. There must be something wrong, cause it's been way too long since I feel cute, and I feel happy. I don't know what to think, cause you are making me feel cute.
Hello everyone. Xin chào tất cả các quý vị. Xin chào tất cả các bạn bè. Không phải là ngắn, hãy thẳng cẳng mà dài. 37 năm trôi qua, cuộc sống chung chắc chắn phải được. Chúng tôi trải qua biết bao gian khổ, mỹ mãn. Hiện nay chúng tôi có 5 cháu, 5 con gái. 3 cháu sinh tại Việt Nam, và Mỹ chúng tôi sinh 2 cháu.
Full disclaimer, my mom and dad only invited people that are here currently in Da Nang. We did not invite the remaining part of our clan, which is over 600 people, because we do have a very extended family. Mom and dad's not trying to have anything that big, so it's a very controlled environment right now, and even in controlled environment, it's 10 table. Yeah, I'm not kidding. We have a very big family. That means I have a lot of cousins, a lot of aunts and uncles. I am closest to the people in this room, mainly because I see them more often growing up. For my extended side of the family, you will be able to meet them, the whole clan anyways, in a separate video when I do go back to Vietnam and actually open or have my own family introduction. And this is my first time going to an anniversary celebrating event. Will I have one myself? Yes, I will. Is it going to be big? It's going to be so grand. It's like another wedding.
Tên thời gian nghe thương yêu dâng cao như biển cả, như xa xôi nay quay về gần gũi. Yêu em vì chỉ biết đó là
We have reached the super Asian side of any event, the karaoke. Oh Lord. Love my mom and dad, love everyone here, but I am not staying for the singing portion. Usually when the karaoke is brought out, that just opened the floodgate to every elderly in this room singing and performing in front of others, because it's part of our culture, okay? It just is. And I'm not staying for this, mainly because I have a raging headache as of now. I've been drinking all day and I am sleepy and I am tired. I know that the younger generation is gonna go off to the bar, they're gonna do a whole bunch of things. But for me, I am going to bed. Xin lỗi nhưng mình đã già rồi, mình không còn sức để chơi nữa. Đứa nào muốn chơi thì chơi, nhưng Thư đi ngủ. I witnessed the champagne pouring, and then I witnessed them cutting the cake together all sweetly for the next, hopefully 30-something year to come. And yeah, that's the end of my night. Husband is tired as well, so we're going to dip. Fast forwarding to tomorrow, the pair and everybody else actually stayed up till 2 at this particular restaurant-like kind of venue, and they had a really good time. Everyone got drunk, and then they went out the next day as, you know, the older group to do more karaoke, more partying, more nyao. My mother does not get to see her sister very much, so I always drag her along when I go to Vietnam, just because I want to create events and opportunity for them to make memory together. They've always been close. I watched the way they protected, provided, and forgive and love one another growing up, so their relationship with one another become the mold model for my own family members, for my own sisters. And if you don't have that positive family environment with your aunt and uncle, maybe you can create it with your own sisters. Mom, trời ơi, cứu tôi, làm lại giùm tôi. Trời ơi, mẹ của ai mà lúa đó trời, để em bả xuống. With all jokes aside, yeah, this is my mother and mine relationship. I mean, we were never really mother-daughter like. We were always sisters, because she married really young, so I pretty much kind of self-raised myself by watching her.
Có ai
đang nhớ người yêu cũ không ạ? Quý vị cùng giơ tay cho Tuấn nha. Quý vị nghe có quen không ạ? Hay quá. Chứ hôm qua ngại gì.
Mẹ rất là thích
Chị không có thích chị không thích math cả. Chị thích science. Chị
cô làm.
That's you and Chris. Cheers. Yo.
Cà phê cũng vô nữa.
Cà phê vô.
Nhìn như cậy trời.
Hey, cái mặt giống như cái cục
Part
kìa.
of the tea. Not the
Cái cục kìa.
problem.
Cái đó.
Yo.
Yo.
Ta nói tụi bay rồi hôm nay thôi đi cho cố vô hôm nay dậy không có nổi vì cái mặt nhìn như cái mâm. Ta nói rồi mà không có nghe, bị không đi ngủ như tao chi mẹ. Yes, this is exactly how I talk to my sister. Like, I am a mother. I like to nag and nag and nag. But do they love me? Of course they do. I'm me. How could you not love me? I am the most judgmental but funniest freaking person, and I will forgive you for all your crap. That's why I tolerate all of my friends. Yes, I used the word correctly, tolerate. Just as they have to tolerate me and my influence, high maintenance, and off the wall attitude, career, I tolerate them and their bull. And that's completely okay. You know, in this group, we love you for who you are, imperfection and all. And you know, I'm super happy to have my sister who is the director of all of my reels, which I quite enjoy making on Instagram, because for me, making reel as well as video is not about being known or admired by everyone. For me, creating content as well as making videos still is about being authentic in a world that make us think we are not enough. And because authenticity connects us and genuine connection is what heals the world, that's why I continue to create. So I always advise all my viewers to just, if you like it, do it. Let them judge you, let them misunderstand you, let them gossip about you. Their opinion aren't your problem. You stay kind, committed to love, and free in your authenticity. No matter what they do or say, I hope you never doubt your worth and the beauty of your truth. Just keep on shining like you do. You need to ignore what everyone else is doing and achieving. Your life is about breaking your own limits and outgrowing yourself to live your best life. You are not in competition with anyone else. Plan to outdo your past, not other people, and I swear to you, you're going to enjoy life, you're going to enjoy making content. Because I'm leaving tomorrow, I want to get my lash and my skincare taken care of today. I just got my lash done, and now I'm going to get my skin done, just because like Vietnam, especially with the change of weather, it's been hot and cold, and then it's just been all kind of crazy. My skin is super stressed out, and that's why I couldn't wear any makeup today. It just wasn't gonna look good with makeup. So I'm like, nope, today is my beauty skincare day. The girls are doing what they want to do. My husband and the boys are doing what they want to do. My sisters are shopping. They're doing what they want to do. And for me, I'm a self-care kind of gal because I just need a few minutes to take care of myself. After this, we're doing good in time. By the way, it's only 12 right now, so I do 1 more hour for skincare, and after that I'm gonna feel really good. Definitely we'll start calling the crew up to see where everybody's at, grab a early lunch because we're gonna day drink a little bit anyways. That was my lashes and my skin. Hopefully it will be better for tonight's makeup. Then I met my friend at East West Brewery Company again. It's close to the hotel and the vibe is good, and I like their food, pretty fresh, and I'm just craving oyster lately because there was way too much drink. So after this, another friend's gonna come in, and then shenanigan will really begin. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up. That shows me a lot of support. Share this with your friends, especially girls that would really fit into our tribe of self-love and acceptance. I will see you in the next video. Comment down below if you enjoy this one. What can I do to make it more enjoyable? And I will